Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm diving into the best foods to eat before and after your workout to maximize your gains and recovery. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, what you eat can make a huge difference. Whether you're hitting the gym, running, or doing yoga, fueling your body right is key. The right nutrition can enhance your performance, keep your energy levels up, and help you recover faster. Let's get started. First up, pre-workout nutrition. You want to focus on foods that provide sustained energy and are easy on the stomach. Eating the right foods before your workout can help you perform better and feel more energized. 1. Add some berries for an antioxidant boost. Berries are rich in vitamins and minerals that can help reduce inflammation and improve recovery. 1. The yogurt provides protein for muscle repair, while the fruit offers quick energy. This combination is not only delicious but also highly effective in keeping your energy levels stable. 1. The whole grain toast provides sustained energy, and the peanut butter adds a dose of protein and fat. This combination ensures that you have a steady release of energy throughout your workout. Now let's talk post-workout. After a workout, it's crucial to replenish your energy stores and repair muscle tissue. What you eat after your workout can significantly impact your recovery and muscle growth. 1. Adding fruit can replenish glycogen stores and provide antioxidants. Fruits like berries, bananas, and mangoes are great additions to your protein shake. 1. Remember, timing and portion sizes matter. Eating at the right times can help you get the most out of your workouts and recovery. Aim to eat your pre-workout meal 30-60 minutes before exercising. This gives your body enough time to digest the food and convert it into energy. For post-workout, try to refuel within 30 minutes to an hour after finishing your session. This is when your muscles are most receptive to nutrients. Don't forget about hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for optimal performance and recovery. Water is essential before, during, and after your workout to keep you performing at your best. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, so there you have it, the top foods to eat before and after your workouts. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you achieve your fitness goals faster, fuel your body right, and see the difference in your performance and recovery. Eating the right foods can make a significant impact on how you feel and perform. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Your support helps us create more content to help you on your fitness journey. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep pushing forward. Remember, consistency is key, and with the right nutrition, you can achieve your fitness goals.